One of the biggest problems for YouTube creators, it's wasting hours or days on videos that were destined to flop before you even hit publish. There's a process that dramatically improves your odds, and it's not luck. It's YouTube SEO. If you're wondering whether YouTube SEO actually works, well, this channel answers your question. Every single video and short here starts from a YouTube SEO analysis, and honestly, all of my channels work the same way. Because on YouTube, no matter what niche you're in, the key is making videos people actually want to watch first. Then in production, your creativity, vision, skills, and experience take over. Good YouTube SEO can save months or even years of trial and error. So, what is YouTube SEO? It's the process of figuring out what your audience is actually looking for, then packaging and building your video around that by analyzing real data instead of guessing. Done right, it's how you get your videos found and watched consistently instead of uploading and hoping. In this whole video, I use just one tool, SureThing. It's an AI agent I set up as my assistant to run the SEO process with me, and it saves about 90% of the time, so I can focus on the 10% that actually matters. I've left a link for SureThing in the pinned comment. When you sign up through it, you get free AI credits to use, enough to actually learn SEO, try the tool, follow this exact process, and generate real outputs for your channel. There's also a Google Doc in there with all the prompts. Open it now because you'll paste those prompts in to set up your own assistant as we go. Let's set it up. Create a new project and call it YouTube SEO. Add a project description. Set up 2 agents. Copy the descriptions from the Google Doc and paste one into Agent 1 and the other into Agent 2. Now open the SureThing conversation inside your project. Select Agent 1 and paste the agent's prompt into the conversation. Then select Agent 2 and paste the second prompt. That's your whole workspace ready. Agent 1 does the research and optimization. Agent 2 does the final audit. Select Agent 1 and type Run Workflow. It runs in 4 steps. Step 1. Topic discovery and keyword research. The AI agent browses, searches, and analyses data across YouTube and other sources, then gives you a list of topic ideas tailored to your channel, each with a clear explanation. Your job, review them and choose the ones that fit. Once step 1's done, type the topics you chose, then type Proceed. Now you'll get title variations for your topic plus thumbnail suggestions. Evaluate what works, and if you want to add your own spin, do it. The final call is always yours. When step 2 is done, type Proceed. If you already have a script or know your topic cold, great, just make sure the first draft is yours. Your personality is the most important part of the script. When your draft's ready, paste it into the conversation to optimize it. Triple check everything. Weigh the options carefully. You understand your audience better than any AI on the planet, so your decisions here are crucial. When step 3 is done, just type Proceed. The agent generates all the metadata you need based on everything from the previous steps, ready to drop straight into the upload page once your video is produced. Once you've actually produced your video, use Agent 2 for an audit. Select Agent 2 and type Run Workflow. It'll ask you for the final video, the thumbnail, the title, the metadata. Upload it all, and the agent runs a full AI audit, scoring everything and giving you pros, cons, and specific suggestions before you publish. If you want the agent to run only a specific step because you already have, for example, the title and thumbnail, simply select Agent 1 and ask, Run the workflow, but only step 3. This workflow is built for beginners. As you follow it, you actually get better at SEO. The agent explains everything as you go. And most importantly, you'll stop creating videos based on guesses and start creating them based on real demand. That's how you grow on YouTube. Thanks for watching.